The final piece for the contemporary period is Pale Blue Sky, and this is on page 317. It's another piece that I wrote to try to fulfill the public domain issue that I ran into with contemporary period. So this uses legato pedal, so it's a good piece to practice legato pedal on. You're going to play a lot of wider intervals in the left hand. It starts C up a 7th, and then C up a 6th, and then it walks down, and then back up. So I would definitely work on the left hand first, maybe without pedal and then with pedal. When you get to measure 9, the piece basically starts over. 6, walk it down and play a 6, and then the 5th, walk the bass, 7th, now A flat, which is new. It was G sharp before, now it's A flat, G7, then it ends with a C, big open spaced C arpeggio, like an arpeggio, but not precisely an arpeggio, just an arpeggiated chord. So the right hand has a nice mellow melody just in C. There are moves out of position. So you keep moving down the keyboard. So let's try, I'll play the whole piece. You can maybe follow the right hand by itself a few times until you're ready to try both. 1, 2, C position. I'm moving the right hand down. Moving it down again. G sharp. And then we back up to the position. So notice, I kind of helped out. You could, if you wanted, you could take some of these last notes with your right hand and break it up. The right hand's not really doing much there, so that's another way to break up that ending if you prefer. The fingering, again, you're getting more advanced, so if you find a different fingering that works better for you, but don't just do a random fingering because that's just what you happen to do at that moment. If you're doing something different than what's written, then write it down. Make sure you get into that habit of being precise with your fingering. And that is it for the contemporary period.